Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Roger Fireworks, and we have been in the fireworks business for more than 18 years. I have been working here for more than 13 years. Today I would like to introduce one of our items. This 1.75 inch real ball shells. You can see he has 12 shells with a shooting cube with a box, and then 12 boxes in the carton. And this is one of our best sellers because this item with very great effect. All items with one effect and a total 12 different effects, and each effect with a big comet and a big burst in the sky. So this is a really great item. I hope you will try.